Good day all. Welcome to Burnstown Blackout. Today I'm going to do a magazine catch install on the Phase 5 strip lower. I've never done this before. It's first time, first attempt, everything else. As mentioned in an earlier video, NEA or SFRC sent these parts pre-assembled, so it took all the guesswork out of trying to figure out which spring and all the rest of this stuff was. So let's get to it. Let's get this installed. Just separate them. This is the mag catch itself, just so you can see. Insert on the opposite side. Push in the spring and the button, mag release button. Make sure the rough contour side is facing out, smooth side facing in. Get it started. From what I've seen on some videos, this can be problematic, but see how it works for me. And you're right, pushing against a spring can be problematic. I've seen it done a multiple of ways, so let's try it a different route. Push in and turn this one. And I think I have no thread bite. What the heck? Now I have thread lock on there. Give an extra little push in, keep it going. Now you want to make sure that when you're screwing this in, it's too bad the vise didn't turn a bit more, but that the bolt or the release comes as flush as possible with this piece here. I'm just going to grab a pencil, give it a little extra push in so I can get some positive there. Oh, a little more to go. Just one more turn and she'll be flush. That's actually a little bit more than flush. Let's give it a shot. See what we get. She releases from the... Okay. It's locked on the bev block, so the mag release is grabbing. Try a hair of mag in it. And it releases. Okay, so that's the Hera mag in there, and it releases. Admittedly, the angle, I have to pull it out a little bit, but there, falls free. This is the press check, Venture's press check. Turn it around. Ooh, nice lock. And release. Awesome. Good deal. Sitting flush. That's it. Fully installed. That's a mag release on the AR-15 Phase 5 strip lower. Thanks for watching. Again, subscribe, like, dislike, be constructive in your criticism. Appreciate it very much, folks. Have a good day.